Here I want to show you these vacuum storage bags. I think these are great for storing things long term. I've used them for lots of different things. Now I do prefer to use them for bedding, sheets, blankets, clothes. So for the wintertime, I will pack up like big blankets like this big queen duvet cover, and then clothes that I'm not using for the season, whatever you want to use the bags for. I find them better suited for fabric, clothes, blankets, and things like that. So this is a large bag, and I'm trying to overfill it here, so I will kind of fit more in it than you think might fit. Now, once you've got your items in the bag, you can go ahead and seal it up, much like a Ziploc bag. You do get these little plastic clips that go on the zipper to help you get a better seal. You don't have to use this tool, but it does actually help. So it does have 2 zippers here, which I think is great because it helps get that extra seal, having those 2 zippers on there. So once you're done, you just kind of want to double check and make sure that it is sealed up. Now with it, you will get this little hand pump that goes along with it. Now the hand pump does screw on there, and you want to do that because it'll get a tighter seal. So I started here, I didn't screw it on. So it does have little threads on it, so you'll just screw it on there, and then you can pump it up very nicely. Unfortunately, the only downside here is that it actually does take a while. So you could hand pump this, and it might take you 5-10 minutes to get the air out of there. But if that's what you got, that's what you got, and you can do it with the hand pump. This is also nice because if you're traveling with it, you can take this little hand pump with you. Now, my preferred method here is to use a hose from a vacuum. If you put that on the port there, it will actually suck the air out of there really quickly. So even this, though, took about a minute or so to get all of the air out of there. So even with a vacuum hose, it can take a little bit of time. And of course, it does depend on how much air you have to suck out of the bag there. So just take your time here. Just suck all of the air out of there. You don't have to go all the way till it's completely empty, but just, play it by ear, use your best judgment, and when you're done, you can go ahead and put the cap on the seal, and that way it will make sure that it is tight and sealed. Now, it is a one-way seal, so it doesn't let the air out as soon as you're done. And as you can see here, I've got a couple blankets here that will be stored long-term, and they do a great job. Hopefully, that was helpful. And then also, I did link to some of these bags in the description of this video, the ones that I have if you want to check them out.